Are you experiencing occasional discomfort or stiffness? You're not alone. Many people just like you are looking for a way to feel more like themselves again. Talk to your doctor today about whether could be right for you. Side effects may include
abdominal, aortic, aneurysm, Achilles tendinopathy, acne, acute cholecystitis, acute lymphoblastic leukemia, acute myeloid leukemia, acute pancreatitis, acute respiratory infection, ARI, Addison's disease, adenomyosis, alcohol-related liver disease, allergic rhinitis, allergies, alopecia, hair loss, Alzheimer's disease, anaphylaxis, angina, angioedema, ankle sprain, ankle avulsion fracture, ankylosing spondylitis, anorexia nervosa, anxiety disorders in children and young people, appendicitis, arterial thrombosis, arthritis, asbestosis, asthma, ataxia, atopic eczema, atrial fibrillation, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, autism, back problems, bacterial vaginosis, Becker muscular dystrophy, bile duct cancer, cholangiocarcinoma, binge eating disorder, BED, bipolar disorder, bladder cancer, blood poisoning, sepsis, bone cancer, bottom shuffling in young children, bowel cancer, bowel incontinence, bowel polyps, bow legs and knock knees in children and young people, brainstem death, brain tumors, breathing problems in children, breathlessness, bronchiectasis, bronchitis, bulimia nervosa, bunion hallux valgus, cancer in your emotions, cardiac arrest, cardiovascular disease, carpal tunnel syndrome, catarrh, cellulitis, cerebral palsy, cervical cancer, cervical spondylosis, chest and rib injury, chest infection, chickenpox, Joe-Blaine's chlamydia, chronic fatigue syndrome, chronic kidney disease, chronic lymphocytic leukemia, chronic myeloid leukemia, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, chronic pain, chronic pancreatitis, cirrhosis, clavicle collarbone fracture, Clostridium difficile, celiac disease, cold sore, coma, common cold, complications of type 1 diabetes, concussion, congenital heart disease, congenital muscular dystrophy CMD, conjunctivitis, constipation, coronary heart disease, coronavirus COVID-19, longer-term effects, long COVID, costochondritis, cough, Crohn's disease, croup, cystic fibrosis, cystitis, deaf blindness, deep vein thrombosis, degenerative cervical myelopathy, dehydration, delirium, dementia with Lewy bodies, dental abscess, depression, dermatitis herpetiformis, diabetic foot issues, diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA, diabetic retinopathy, diarrhea in adults, diarrhea in children and babies, discoid eczema, diverticular disease and diverticulitis, dizziness, lightheadedness, Down syndrome, dry mouth, Duchenne muscular dystrophy DMD, dysphagia, swallowing problems, living with dysfibrinogen anemia.
Talk to your doctor to live healthy again.